everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole if you're new here, and if you are new here, please subscribe, join my little family. I would love to have you. So today's makeup look is this one right here. It's just super natural. I have places to go today, so I didn't want something like so over the top. This is just my natural everyday makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial and continue watching. Okay, so I am like redoing my room, so I don't know like where to sit. So I just kind of set up like something right here, and my mirror is like balancing on my bed. So if I'm looking over here, I'm looking at my mirror. And if I'm looking over here, this is where my makeup is. So sorry, this is all over the place. I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to be filming from now on. The first thing we're going to start off with is moisturizing our face. The cream I'm going to be using is this one from Garnier. It's Skin Active Botanical Balm Nourishing Moisturizer. I love this stuff. I found it at TJ Maxx and it works amazing. And it smells so good. So that's why I got it. I like the way it smells. So we're just gonna be rubbing this in. Guys, I'm like so excited that I'm finally doing my room. I've been wanting to redo my room for a while now, and I'm finally getting around to it. I'll show you guys when it's all done. It's just I have a lot more things to do. Like, it's a process, but I'm so thankful for my mom for helping me like fix it all up. I gotta have my glowy skin, so I'm gonna go in with my MAC Strobe Cream. I love this stuff. It makes you look so like dewy and amazing. Just gonna be rubbing that in. So I might start working as a makeup artist. I got the opportunity. I hope it works out and everything goes great. I don't know if I start like my actual job, but I am gonna be doing someone's makeup in April. So I'm like excited. I'm just happy it's like hopefully falling into place. I don't want to speak too soon. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This one is in the shade Fiji. I recently self-tanned, so I think this one matches my skin more than it used to. So that's why I'm gonna use it. I'm just gonna take like a little bit. I took about like 3 pumps because I want this to be like a real natural look. Natural, let's see if it comes out that way. So I'm just like tapping this where I need it, like on my red spots. And I really need to get a lash fill, but she's on spring break, so I think they're just gonna fall off, and then maybe I'll get them again later. So I'm just bouncing that in with a damp Real Technique sponge. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have it in the shade Light Sand. I'm just going to be placing like 3 dots. Then like on the chin and on my nose. Like so. I don't really do my forehead anymore because I feel like I already have a big forehead, so I don't need to do any highlighting at all. So I'm kind of just going to leave like that, go back in with my Real Technique sponge and just bounce that in. I feel like I always have a problem blending in my inner corner area. I don't know how people do it. Like every tutorial that I watch, they can fit their beauty blender in that area, and I just can't. Like, I guess my eyes are too close together, but like this area is always like missing like foundation or something because I can't reach it, so I have to go in like with the brush. Did you guys see Emma Chamberlain's new video? Like, they did her makeup so good. It looked so good, and it wasn't even like a lot. It was like super simple and cute. I loved it. So I'm gonna go in real quick with some Carmex because I need to moisturize my lips and prepare them for some lipstick. I do this in such a weird order, I'm sorry. I'm just like all over the place. So I'm gonna go in with some Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm just gonna take whatever's on the cap, which is a lot. So I'm gonna tap this brush into it just real lightly, and I'm gonna set my under eyes with that. We're not baking, we're just setting. We're taking more of that and just placing it on our smile lines. We're gonna leave the rest free from powder because I want this to be really like natural and dewy looking, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So for my contour slash bronzer thing, I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer in the shade Tantastic. So this is the brush I like to use with it. I got this one at TJ Maxx. So I'm just gonna bronze slash contour my face. Just putting some on my neck. Now I'm going to take this little brush from Sephora. It's called the Blending Shadow Brush. And I'm going to contour my nose with this. My lashes look so bad right now. But it's my fault because I got like anxiety the other day and I started like picking at them, which is a big no-no. I say that in my video that I'm going to put up today probably. It's about lash extensions. So yeah, don't pick at your lashes. I'm just going to tell you guys right now. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with my Real Technique sponge and just like go over that because it is kind of harsh right now. So we just kind of want to like soften it up. So now I'm going to go in with my Tarte blush. This one is in the shade Party. It's very beautiful. So you're going to smile so you can see your cheeks and place it on the apples of your cheeks. And then just some like in the chin to tie it together, maybe a little on the forehead. So for my brows, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. kit. It's an eyebrow kit, and I'm going to be taking this taupey shade. I just followed the natural shape of my eyebrow. I'm just brushing it out now. So I'm not really into the Instagram brow at the moment. I kind of just want something a little bit more natural looking. So I'm going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer because I really need to clean up these brows. They look kind of like crazy right now. Okay, so now I'm just taking a brush and I'm just patting that in. I'm just going to use whatever's left of that concealer and I'm just going to prime them. So I'm just going to rub that in. I'm going to go back in with that bronzer I used and just take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to define my crease with that. I don't want anything too crazy, just something super natural. And I'm dragging it out. Okay, so I'm just doing the same thing on this eye. I'm just going to place that bronzer all in my crease. And I'm going to drag it out. I kind of want to add a wing because these lashes are not doing me any good. So I'm going to go in with this one by Kat Von D, the Trooper Liner. Okay, so those are the wings. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. I'm just going to let that soak in. I decided to take off my lipstick. I wanted something a little bit more natural. It was like too harsh for me. This is what I ended up with. I was doing some things around the house, so I probably look bad now. But anyways, this was the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below to join my little family if you're not already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.